Visibility prospects are sites that are already ranking on Google and that can be your potential partners in your link building campaign. In this search method, we have two modes, the advanced mode and the simple mode. The simple mode is the one set by default, and the advanced mode we would activate by clicking on this button right here. First, let's see the simple mode. In the simple mode, we're going to launch queries based on the keywords that we enter in this bracket right here. So for example, let's say we work for a rice company. The first keyword that you would think of would be rice itself. But instead, we're going to look for generic keywords, words that are more related to your sector than to your strict product. So in the case of rice, we could write nutrition, cooking, and recipes. The reason why we choose generic keywords over regular ones is because the queries that we're going to launch are not going to be just the keyword itself, but that word along with the words blog or magazine, up to 10 queries per keyword that you enter. So the final query would look like nutrition blogs or nutrition magazine. If we had entered rice, the query would look like rice blogs or rice magazines, and there are not really such kind of outlets. Also, it could lead you to your competitors. You could also select your target country and your TLD. Now let's click on search. And now let's see the advanced mode. In the advanced mode, we can forget about generic keywords because in this case, we're going to launch the query just as you write it in the bracket. So in this case, we suggest that you use intentional or long-tail keywords or even footprints. So in the case of rice, the rice company, we could look for what is the best wine pairing for rice? And maybe footprints like all entitled cooking blocks. This kind of queries is going to take you either to blogs with this kind of posts or blogs with this kind of titles. Again, you could choose your target country and your TLD. Now, if we scroll down, we can see the queries that we just launched. Also, we could add recurrence. Adding recurrence means that once a month, we're going to launch those queries again. So periodically, if you did well in your strategy, new media outlets that are related to your sector will be entering your campaign.